Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix error 195. AMD server installer cannot continue because it is unable to access the required web resources. So when you are trying to update your driver or start installing new driver on your new graphic card, but you encounter this error 195. So it is because a AMD software installer was unable to access web resources. So sometimes you can get this error because of your internet is cut off, shut down. And to fix it, there's 4 solutions that you can try from AMD.com. First one, please make sure you are running latest version of AMD Auto Detect and Install tool. You can find in here. Here you can try to download the latest version of our AMD Auto Detect. But in my opinion, I recommend you to not to download this one, but you can try to download manually your graphic card in here. So you can choose your graphic card, Radeon RX for example, RX 700 for example, and here we go, submit, and you can download based on your operating system. Here we go, you can download AMD software Adrenaline Edition. Here you can download it. And second, you can consider disabling your antivirus temporarily until the installation of the AMD software package is complete. Third, you can configure your system firewall, allow traffic with AMD servers while the AMD software installer is running. So you can try to search a firewall. Here, allow an up to Windows firewall. So you can add AMD in here. And fourth, you cannot do anything because of AMD servers may be temporarily offline due to maintenance. So you have just to wait until the AMD servers running normally. Again, I recommend you to download manually the driver, not use the AMD Auto Detect. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.